Tuesday, January 29th, 2019. Good evening, gentlemen. Welcome back to the Bitcoin market update. Let's see here. Cheers to you guys. Got a little Starbucks in me. I know it's late in the evening, but I'm gambling here. I just love coffee. I'm gambling with the fact that I may not sleep tonight. That's no good. All right, let's see here. Delicious. Ooh. Total market cap $109 billion. Now, I know the last 2-3 days I've been just jamming through these. They're like 2.5 minutes long, but I'm going to slow it down. Got some time this evening, and I thought, why not just get into it a little deeper and see what we can see. All right, so BTC USD on the one-day chart for Coinbase is 3,417. Let me zoom out just a little bit here and pump it up. It looks real bearish, you guys. It's coming down and looking real nasty. One positive thing I see here is my money flow. My money flow is looking okay. It's heading on the upside, I guess. I like that. That's looking good. But we're so far down that probably best case scenario, at least for today and maybe even tomorrow, would be a run up maybe to this line at heading up maybe another 70, 80 bucks. I'm going to get rid of this. Remember, this is anytime you see an arrow, it's just a hope and dream of mine. It doesn't mean it's actually going to happen or anything like that. If it's in the future, it's just at that time I thought we'd make a nice bowl and round up and head on out. But it looks like the downtrend of the market is really taking hold, and yeah, it's just going down. Let's move on to XRP BTC on the one day for Binance. This is also looking pretty bearish. We've had some mean sell-off here. Now, I'm anticipating we need a green day here. Now, there's no rule written that you got to have X amount of, red days with X amount of green days, but I do think it's a law of probability that if you get too many reds in a row, eventually you get yourself a green. Okay, so maybe we get a green day. That'd be nice. RSI is trying to give us a golden cross. I'm not sure if it's going to stay that way, but other indicators are looking, they're looking okay. Let's take a look here at you definitely want to stay out of this, by the way. Let's look at XRP BTC XRP USD. So right now XRP is at 28 cents, a little over, almost 29. But yeah, it's been going down ever since we got this sell signal here. We just, as soon as it started crashing, we dumped it. Most of us got stopped out on this. I want to let you guys know that it's so critical to have your stops in place so you don't get wrecked. But in this case, even if you caught the bottom and you sold right there on the very tippy tip, you're doing okay. You're on the right side of the trade, and it's fine. Oh man, that coffee. Ooh, yeah. Okay, let's see. That's XRP USD on the one day for Kraken. I am gonna keep that as a sell. How about Bitcoin Cash USD? That one is also a sell. This is on the one day for Coinbase. If you look at this, when we put our sell in, it was back on. Oh, I'm sorry. This was not my sell. This is not my call. I'm glad I got that circled. Anytime you see a down arrow with a yellow surrounding it, it's not my call. This was recently added, and I didn't have any, I guess, calls yet. We're still going down since I added it. So, yeah, anyway, still going down. Stay out of it. It's at $110 right now and 34 cents. For Bitcoin Cash USD on the one day for Coinbase. Let's move into LTC USD Litecoin on the 1 day for Coinbase, it looks like it's at $30.91 and still bearish, battling in that Kumo cloud. I'm just gonna put this out there. I think that we're gonna have an explosive move here soon. That's my thought. I don't know. Yeah, I think we're gonna find direction here real soon. That's my 2 cents on Litecoin right now, and it could also apply to Bitcoin also. We'll see. But LTC BTC or LTC USD, stay out of it right now. Make sure you got your stops in though. Okay, if my gut feeling on this comes true, I would love to see you be in this trade, triggered into it in case there's a big move on the upside. But right now we're staying out of it. LTC BTC, let's take a look at that. We're still bullish. I can't believe it. Can't believe it. This thing just holding on, man, just hanging in there. Everything else is dumping, but LTC BTC is, you'd be best to be in the Litecoin trade at this point. How about Ethereum, ETH USD? Let's see how that guy is playing out. Yeah, still a sell at $104.80. We are way below the Kumo cloud, below the 9. Everything here is just, it's just bottom bouncing, man. It's going down. Okay, so stay out of that. How about 0x on the 1 day for Coinbase? We've got it at 24, almost 25 cents on the USD chart. We put this in as a sell and it's been coming down. We're below the Kumo cloud on the daily. And yeah, there's just flatlined money flow, volume stagnant. It's just not looking healthy right now. We're going to stay out of that. How about basic attention token on the USDC? Remember, that's in, when you see USDC, that's actually a Coinbase tether coin. USDC is a tether coin made by Coinbase, and I believe Circle is their partner that they put that out. I like it. I think it's good. It's a ERC20 token, by the way. And those of you that have a Pillar wallet, you can store your USDC in your Pillar wallet. So if you're on the sidelines and just sitting there with cash, waiting to see the bottom so you can buy back in, USDC can be stored off the exchanges in your Pillar wallet. So keep that in mind. Let's take a look here. Basic attention token USDC on the 1 day Coinbase. It is a sell. We got out here on this big dumper right here, stopped out, and it's just been kind of relative sadness ever since. The current price is 11 cents. So yeah, it's been going down. It looks like might have got stopped out about 13. So we're not talking, you know, whoa, big gains. Nothing like that. It's just, you know, slow moving, you know, nothing fancy. Let's move into ZEC coin, USDC. Remember, that's the Tether coin. It's not Tether, it's USDC. Let's see. That one, same situation, stopped out, going down. Currently at $48.65. ZEC doing okay. Overall, we're nearing that double bottom. I'm wondering if margin of error would call that the bottom. Not positive, but we'll have to keep an eye on this. We have a golden cross coming here with the RSI, and money flow has been, you know, even though we've been coming down, we've been coming up in money flow, which I like to see that here. But yeah, volume's going to probably be the one to kick it in gear. Look for a buy to happen soon on this. That's my opinion, my 2 cents. I think that we could see a bounce off of this levels at some point soon, but don't hold me to it. Well, I'll tell you when to get it. When the getting's good. All right. Okay, so $48.65 for ZEC USDC on the one-day Coinbase. Stay out of it. Dash. How about Dash USD? Now, Dash US dollar is currently at $68.11. This is also a sell. Stay out of that. This is one I added on the one day for Binance that I added recently. So there is no data here for any calls. So, but I did think, Dash is important. It's been around. It's an old coin. It's been around for a while. And it's got, some value behind it still. And I think it's, noteworthy. And we need to kind of keep our eye on it and see what it does. How about Digibyte? DGB BTC. Let's move into that on the one day for Bittrex. Stay out of it. It's going down it's just going down. Today though, since we got our new candle, it's been running up a little bit, which is super nice. And we did get a golden cross today, so that's good too. Maybe in a day or two we can look for more upside potential and maybe a bottom here, but as of right now, stay out of it. Let's see where it takes us. Like I said, you get too many red candles in a row and you're bound to get a green one at some point. Just a little bit of relief, please. God, stop the pain. That's really all it is. So Digibyte BTC on the one day for Bittrex. Stay out of it. How about TRX BTC? TRX continuing to perform. Love this. Every day I think I'll wake up and see it just crash into the floor. But nope, it just keeps on trucking and it's doing really well. So stay in it. Currently at 801 TRX BTC on the one day for Binance. 801. This was our original buy-in. We bought in on this beautiful candle here, stopped in, ran it all the way up, took a scalping opportunity, but I thought, let's just call it a sell. We sold, went down, double bottom, got fortunate, bought back in, and we're riding it up ever since. There's no stress involved. We just take it day by day. This thing is doing really well. We'll see what happens. We're getting an RSI, about to do a death cross, and money is kind of starting to exit the building on this current candle here. So it's possible we could start seeing some downtrend out of this. It's hard to say. In my opinion, I thought this was the top right there. That's a beautiful topper in my opinion. So, but I'm not always right. I see this kind of stuff and maybe the market's got other ideas. So TRX BTC on the one day Binance, stay in it. It's okay. 801 Theta. Theta is also a stay in it situation, albeit it is on the cusp. It is about ready to go down. It's just holding on, and maybe it can hold on long enough to start rallying. That'd be cool. So anyway, I'd like to just say stay in it for now. We'll see what it does. Maybe tomorrow we can call it a sell. Not positive. There were plenty of scalping opportunities here that looked real good. Hopefully you guys are taking advantage of these big moving candles and selling and then buying in lower. That's on you. That ain't me. Remember, I'm just telling you the trend. But Theta at 15.19 currently looking good. Looking real good. Proppy, PRO, Proppy is still a sell. We got this sell back on the 24th of January, and it's just been going down. This is the Proppy BTC Bitcoin on the one day for Bittrex. So still a sell there. Stay out of it. How about Populous Bitcoin on the one day Binance is still a sell. Now we did not get excited about this run up or this run up or maybe even this one. We didn't get excited about that. The fundamentals are on Populous for TA are not saying it's going bullish yet, so we didn't get too excited about these one-day pumps. We've stayed out of it, and so far we're being rewarded for it, which is really, really great. We shall see what the future holds, but for Populous, stay out of it right now. On OMG BTC on the one day for Binance, it has been selling off, not looking too good, going down. It's trying to give me a golden cross here on the RSI, but maybe we can get some lift out of this in a couple days. But currently, right now, we're going to stay out of it. How about AMB, Ambrosis US dollar? This one is looking a lot like OMG, and we sold this one on the 20th of January, and it's just kind of been sliding sideways and going down. So yeah, stay out of that one. It's currently at 5 cents, about 5.5 cents. How about Humanique? Human IQ. We had this big green candle, stopped in. We got this gorgeous, pretty much a double topper here. Good scalping opportunity. Got out, came down, gave it a little bit of bounce, and we've officially called it on the 27th of January as a sell. So yeah, stay out of it right now. Hold on one second. My boy's coming in. Thank you, son. Appreciate that. I'll be down in a little bit, okay? All right. Okay, so that's Human IQ. Stay out of it. How about ADA? ADA is going down. Cardano fans, your coin is going through a bit of a slump right now, a little bit of a pullback. It's not bad. It's like, let's look at it, for what it's worth. It came off the bottom, gave some nice lift. I think it's probably going to come down a little further. It's coming probably through this Kumo cloud, in my opinion. I'm not saying that for sure. But the good news is you guys got a golden cross, so hopefully we can start looking for more opportunities on the upside. But like I said, we take it day by day, and this Cardano on the Bitcoin one day for Binance is still a sell. So stay out of it. I'm looking forward to the bottom again because I'm excited to load up some ADA. I think this coin has a bright future, and I'm looking forward to it. So yeah, when that time comes, I'll be there. NPX, Pundy. Oh boy, Pundy. When there's a very, very few coins like Tron's doing well and Pundy's doing well, and that's it. The entire market is suffering and bleeding out. It's fun. It's fun to see a coin that is, very, very little people know about Pundy. I certainly didn't know much about it until recently when a gentleman in the group had some, and then I kind of looked into it. Interesting idea, interesting project. I'm going to throw my 2 cents, my hat in the ring here. Pundy has designated areas, or they're basically like card swipers and little machines that you've got to interact with your Pundy and possibly other cryptos as well. In this day and age, I don't think that you need to be tethered to a certain company or have to use designated machines when everyone carries around computers. So yeah, I'm real skeptical about that aspect of Pundy X, but a lot of people love it, so I'm gonna keep talking about it. And you know what? Pundy's pumping, so you know what? Go for it, guys. Go for it. Currently on the US dollar, it's like almost free. How about that? So get your free token down here, would you? But it's going up. It's in the Kumo cloud. Could see a little bit of rattling around here for a bit, but yeah, I'm hopefully looking for either upside here or trade sideways out over there. So stay in it. Neo is still a sell from back here going down. Remember, Neo, this is not my call. This is recently added. Still a sell though. Stay out of it. XTZ Tezos going down 37 cents. So now this one we called back here. It's traded sideways and is finally getting some more dip out of it. But this thing has just been a dog trading sideways. How about QLC chain? Now this is QLC chain on the Bitcoin on the 1 day for Binance. It is still a sell. I know we've been rallying for about 2 days here, but it's not enough. It totally isn't enough to get it back into this. No way. And this was our call. We had good scalping opportunity. Continued to stay out of it. And yeah, so stay out of it. Aeon. Nope. Now, I don't know what's going on here. Where is our sell? We've labeled this as a sell, and I'll tell you right now, the full real sell on this was probably here for us, but you could have called it way back even on this one. So yeah, I'm just gonna throw that there. I'll have to go back and review the tape, but chances are I don't know, I might have forgotten. But it's Aeon's a sell, has been for a while. How about Doge? Dogecoin still a sell. There's our little sell point. Get down. Doge is going down. Well, that's it for today, guys. BTC USD on the 1 day. I'm gonna leave you with this one. We're working on a little bit of green here, but not much. Don't get too excited. I like our money flow, but yeah, Bitcoin, more sideways action, really, in my opinion. Thank you guys for joining me. Be kind to one another, and God bless you. Have a great day. See ya.